New Delhi is all set to host the G20 summit begin tomorrow. World leaders continue to arrive in the city for the summit. Counting of votes began for by polls to 7 assembly seats spread over 6 states, and the results will be declared today. Association of Southeast Asian Nations and India have agreed to make concerned effort to increase cooperation in food security, nutrition, food trade, supply chain, cultivation of millets. India's maiden mission to study the sun, Aditya L1, has taken image of itself as well as the Earth and the Moon from the highly elliptical orbit around the Earth where it is currently present. In US Open Tennis, India Rohan Bopanna and his Australian partner Matthew Ibden stormed into the men's double finals.